Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best instant cameras in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 Instant Camera. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 Instant Camera is a great way to capture memories in an instant. This camera features an automatic exposure function, which adjusts the shutter speed and flash output, allowing you to take great pictures even in low light conditions. The camera also features a selfie mirror, a close-up lens attachment, and a high-key mode, which allows you to take brighter photos with a softer look. With its intuitive design, the Instax Mini 11 is the perfect camera for all levels of photographers, from beginners to experienced users. Plus, it comes in a variety of fun and vibrant colors, allowing you to express your personal style. Capture your memories with the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 Instant Camera and get the perfect shot every time. Pros: lightweight and portable. Easy to use with automatic exposure. Includes a selfie mirror for self-portraits. Includes a close-up lens for taking close-up shots. Available in a variety of colors. Affordable price point. Cons: limited features. No ability to adjust exposure or focus. Reduced image quality compared to digital cameras. No zoom or flash features. Limited battery life. Number 2. Our second best pick is Fujifilm Instax Mini 90 Neo Classic Instant Film Camera. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 90 Neo Classic is a stylish and fun instant film camera that produces credit card-sized prints. It features a variety of features that make it ideal for capturing life's special moments. It has a high-performance flash that automatically adjusts to light levels for accurate exposures. It has a built-in macro mode for close-up shots from 35 to 50 centimeters away, a landscape mode for capturing wide vistas, and an adjustable brightness setting for creating special effects. It also has a double exposure mode for creating artistic effects and a bulb mode for long exposures. The camera runs on 2 AA batteries and has a built-in auto power-off feature that conserves energy. The Instax Mini 90 Neo Classic is a great way to capture spontaneous moments and share them with friends and family. Pros: offers a range of features for creative photography. Has a classic design with updated features. Easy to use and provides excellent results. Produces high-quality prints with vibrant colors. Includes a variety of accessories. Compact and lightweight design. Cons: expensive compared to other instant cameras. Limited film availability. Not good in low light conditions. No digital capabilities. Number 3. Our third best pick is Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 Instant Camera. Capture life's precious moments with the Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 Instant Camera Flamingo Pink. This stylish and chic camera is the perfect companion for capturing beautiful and vibrant pictures. With its automatic exposure measurement and simple operation, it's easy to take beautiful pictures with this camera. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 Instant Films give you the ability to take 60 photos with spectacular color and sharpness that will last a lifetime. The included A14 PC Deluxe bundle for Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 camera includes a camera case, cleaning cloth, mini album, assorted frames, stickers, and more. With its sleek and compact design, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 Instant Camera Flamingo Pink and Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 Instant Films, 60-pack, plus a 14 PC Deluxe bundle for Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 camera make it easy to take beautiful and vibrant photos that you'll cherish for years to come. Pros: complete bundle for Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 camera. 60 packs of Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 Instant Films. Flamingo Pink camera design. Creates instant prints. Cons: limited to Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 camera. High cost for a bundle compared to buying items separately. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro 2-in-1 Instant Camera and Amp Photo Printer. Are you looking for a fun, easy way to capture and print your own photos? The Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro is the perfect camera for you. This 2-in-1 instant camera and photo printer is perfect for capturing and sharing special moments. With its retro design, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. The Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro is compatible with iOS, Android, and Bluetooth devices and features real photo HD prints, 4-pass technology, and a laminated finish. With 4-pass technology, you'll get high-quality, long-lasting prints that will look great for years to come. And with a laminated finish, your photos will be protected from smudges, stains, and water damage. This camera comes with 60 sheets of 3x3 paper, so you'll be able to capture and print plenty of memories. Plus, the Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro is lightweight, portable, and easy to use. So, you can take it with you everywhere and always be ready to snap and print your favorite memories. Pros: compatible with iOS, Android, and Bluetooth. Real photo HD printing. 4-pass technology for long-lasting prints. Laminated finish for increased durability. 60 sheets of film included. Cons: prints are limited to 3 by 3 inches. Print quality may not be as high as traditional printing methods. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Polaroid One Step Plus Black Bluetooth Connected Instant Film Camera, old model. Introducing the Polaroid One Step Plus Black, the Bluetooth connected instant film camera that allows you to take and share pictures instantly. This classic camera is perfect for capturing those special moments and sharing them with friends and family. Featuring an easy-to-use design, the One Step Plus has a sleek black finish and classic Polaroid styling. The built-in Bluetooth connectivity allows you to control the camera remotely, edit and add filters to your photos, and print them directly from your smartphone. The One Step Plus is compatible with the Polaroid Originals app, which offers a wide range of creative tools to enhance your photos. With its built-in flash and rechargeable battery, you can enjoy up to 60 days of standby time and up to 20 photos per charge. Take your photography to the next level with the Polaroid One Step Plus Black. Pros: easy to use and maintain. Bluetooth connectivity for instant sharing. Built-in self-timer for selfies and group shots. Compact and lightweight design. Uses Polaroid Originals I-Type and 600 film. Cons: limited features compared to more modern models. No image stabilization. No built-in flash. Low-resolution images compared to digital cameras. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day!